Hello and welcome to StageSwift. Getting the right people to the right place at the right time. In this video, I will talk to you about evaluation. In this case, we're going to go up here to the burger menu and we're going to select evaluation. As you can see, every single event is listed here and can be evaluated. However, I'm only interested in evaluating the shows at the moment, so I'm going to pick shows. In this first one on the list, you can see that it's already completed and it has some evaluation in here. Now you can put any sort of evaluation in that you think is going to be useful to you. Number one would be, was the venue suitable or not? And we can also put a number of attendees, so the audience numbers here, and they could either be estimated or real numbers. And so again, some notes that you want to keep private, not to be seen on the road. In this particular case, I've put here that the stage door is at the back of the building. Do not attempt to park at the front. Some of the steps as you enter, there are some steps at the front, and it's narrow backstage area. So you might want to put some things like if there's secure parking, if there's a laundry nearby, if there's a rake, is there a pre-rig, any of those kinds of things you might want to put here in the evaluation, and then mark it complete or not complete. So if I pick on this one here, click on it, you can see it requires attention. I haven't done anything. I haven't got any information put in there as well. The other thing you might want to evaluate is the accommodation. So again, here, was the accommodation suitable? You could also put in some things like the watch out or no parking nearby. You could put nearest car park is not secure, just so that you know for the next time, and then save that there. Oh, I might have marked that possibly as complete. That would be better, and update that. And what is evaluation for? Well, this is a whole different video, which we normally use our AI tool here to go back to all the events to find out some details about how things went for us in the past, so we can make better plans for the future.